got a 1970 Mustang Mach 1. Clean like brand new out of the factory, for crying out loud, man. Still stickers on here, battery okay, auto light, God. It's like a full-on restoration to the max here. It's got the pins for the hood, hold down, right there. This is a full-on restoration for sure. Grabber blue, I don't know if that's grabber blue, but that's what I call it. I think the Mavericks had the colors called grabber, like grabber blue, grabber green, but no, it's 351. I don't know what the hell it was in there. It's a Mach 1. 4-speed. Clock over there in the glove compartment area. In the glove compartment's below the clock, but got the louvers out there on the window. Keep the sun out from heating the place up. Too bad. You got, your latches to lift up, clean the windows still. Little fastback Mach 1 Mustang 351. Gotta love this car, man. That's a year of 69, 70. This is 70, but I love both those years the best. That's when Mustang really got it right. Today they're kind of like a plastic version of this car. That's what it is.